acceleration and have momentum. But I felt cheap because I couldn't understand. Hey, you're speaking on the physics of sound, but you have no idea what is music, how music works. So I picked up an instrument.
Everyone's sick of the shitpost bullshit.
Oh yeah, Bill Burr.
What's going on, Louie?
Good to see ya. Wow.
How are you?
First off, I'm not Jeff.
Oh, that's right.
I like the the Chinese balls where you do that and they don't touch. I do that with my testicles. Yeah.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
It's bumping into me during a basketball game. I said,
How you doing, man? It's great to see you.
You look a little blue.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. Ready?
You know what? You've heard the term before, black don't crack.
Lemon and lime is just right, especially after salmon or steak.
Carpentry is that kind of it's a Chinese.
Right now, I'm just looking at a blank screen.
You read it?
You improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out. You want to get anywhere. You want to get all the way to.
Period.
Bitch.
You coming on the show?
Killing it for you.